Hi, this is nice exponential math problem. X to the power 10 is equal square root of 5 and we have to find the value of x. Before starting the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. So let's start. Solution: x to the power 10 is equal square root of 5, or x to the power 10 is equal square root of 5. Now we will take both sides for 10, or x to the power 10 whole power 10 is equal square root of 5 whole power. We can write this 10 as 2 times 5. We know a exponential property which is a to the power m times n is equal a to the power n whole power m. According to this property, we can write this line as x to the power 10 whole power 10 is equal square root of 5 square whole power 5. Or x to the power 10 whole power 10 is equal, this square and this square root cancel by each other. Here remain only 5 to the power this 5. We know another math property which is a to the power m whole power n is equal a to the power n whole power m. According to this math property, we can write this line as x to the power this 10 whole power x to the power 10 is equal 5 whole power this 5. We know another math property which is a to the power a is equal b to the power b, which implies that a equal b. According to this math property, we can write this line as this x to the power 10 is equal 5, or square root of x to the power 10, here 10th root x to the power 10 is equal 10 root square root of this 5. This 10th root and this power 10 cancel by each other. Here remain only x is equal 10th root 5. Therefore, x is equal 10th root 5. This is right answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.